There are many advantages in using timber in buildings, but the lightweight nature of this material means that achieving the desired acoustic performance can often be a challenge. Building design in the modern age is a highly iterative process whilst coordinating many competing disciplines. This constant iteration can waste a lot of time unless designers have the right information at their fingertips. Having a design platform that can pull up airborne and impact sound insulation ratings for a construction, whilst checking the structural performance, for example, can offer huge time savings. That's why I've been helping the team at SPEC Toolbox implement the acoustic design piece of this puzzle.
At SPEC Toolbox, our mission is to make innovation easy to specify. That's why we have built that acoustic expertise directly into the platform. Now you get instant access to a verified database of assemblies. You can automatically filter for airborne and impact performance based on your timber pen and integrate acoustics right into your workflow. Specifiers can choose the exact acoustic system they need right inside SPEC Toolbox. If you are a specifier, head to the platform and start designing for free. If you are an acoustic product supplier, reach out to learn how we can get your product specified on more projects.